another unboxing today. I told you I got a big old box. Got a big old box. Yes, I did. Let's cover back up K Rico Siren. I found the burp hole already. It's down here. They did these boxes upside down or something. Come on. Yes, I have my super duper sharp tweezers. These are my Ever Moments. I think my Diamond Art Club are at work, but not like I don't have 20 of these things somewhere, you know. This one is round. Yes, it is Nightbringer, y'all. It is Nightbringer. I know. Second best, worst YouTuber ever. It's Nightbringer. Let's check Nightbringer out. Because, y'all, I see this one as a personal challenge. Yes, I do. So, yesterday I unboxed Phases. Stacy is still sitting here with me. She didn't go home. So Nightbringer is around because of the magenta. The magenta band around right here. Yes. This is the JoJo Art image. It is 30.3 by 21.7 inches, which is 77 by 55 centimeters. Yes. And it does have ABs. So let's check this sucker out. So Stacy and I were discussing this one. Okay. We had a discussion. All right. And well, look, see, here's our little sticker. Here's the little sticker that you can put on the end of the box if you would like. We were discussing the fact that this has a lot of black in it. She thinks there'll be somewhere around 7 bags of 310. Yeah. Let's look at this. So you have your little sticker. Yes. See, to me this so looks like a Patronus. It's a Harry Potter Patronus. It is a round kit. So you get your very basic pin. You get a whole bunch of baggies. This will be more than enough for this one because I know how many colors are in this one. You get your tray, you get your 4-placer, you get a squishy, and you get 2 heart-shaped waxes because they love you twice as much. Yes, they do. All right, so we're gonna put that over there because you know I don't need that. Really don't need that. Oh, let's look. So she says 7 to 10 bags of 310. My guess. No, I don't know how many bags of 310 there are. What's my guess gonna be? What's my guess gonna be? I am going to say 20 to 25. I'm gonna say 25. So let's take all the interesting fun stuff out. Here's Becky's instructions. Becky, I got your instructions for you. You want them for Christmas? Yeah. Becky loves them. Oh, they have redone Nightbringer's little sticker. Yes. So Nightbringer was out it's been out a long time. It's been out a long time. It is very much loved, revered, despised, hated by all. If you've done this one, it's like, oof. Oh, the 310. It has 1 AB. It has 18 colors. See? So there you go. And this is perforated too. This is perforated. Yay. All right, so we are going to just sit that to the side. I'm not even going to look over at the beads. We're going to roll this backwards. We are. You know, you don't normally do this to a canvas. because you know, especially what is it, Treasure Studio Art. You can't do it to theirs. You can't do it to any of them that are double-sided adhesive. Yeah, I like the fact they've redone this canvas. They've redone, yeah, they've got a sticker page now. You've got your information right here so you know who the artist is, because I'm terrible about knowing who the artist is. Look. Oh, ain't it pretty? So there you have it. This is Nightbringer. Oh. Oh. Isn't that something? Oh, the 310. I've actually not seen this one unboxed. I have seen Rachel Ray's review, but I did not ever see her unbox this one. Oh my gosh. I have seen her review it after it was done. And she did not, I don't think in that quick review she did, that she ever said how many bags of 310. Oh my gosh. 18 colors. 18. I'm really thinking about where some of these Aurora Borealis ABs go. Maybe switching those out for something else. But there's so few of them. So I may put some others, because I've got some rhinestones still from Stars in a Walk from Diamond Shop that might go on here nicely. They're sparklers. Stacy, they're the ones that outline the dog.
Oh yes, those are pretty.
And there are also a few of them in the sky. So I'm thinking about adding a few here and there to this one. All right, let's take a look.
Mm-hmm.
We'll save the 310 for last. We will. She's giving me this look like, oh my gosh. We're just gonna pull out. Yeah. So here are the other colors that are not 310. Here are 17 colors. How about that? So that's all the one. Let me bring you down a little bit. Let me bring you down into all this. There we go. I'll bring you a little close. Get y'all up in the business. I gotta pry something up into the spring. Hopefully it won't pop. Woo. There you go. You can look at his face. Rachel Ray named hers Bucky. Alright, so focus. Hi. Let me see if I can do something about this. Oh, there we go. Alright. So 141. That's your Aurora Borealis. That little bit right there. That's it. 312. 336. 3755. 334. 3814. 992. That's going to be real close to each other. 3760 is a pretty blue. 775. 939 is dark blue. Where's 939 going? That is C. Okay, I see a little bit of it. Then you have 797, 322, 796, $5.97, $5.98, $38.11, and $8.20. So these are the 17 colors that are not $3.10. She just laughed. Because literally it's like, just that much. Just that. Right there. That's the three. That's everything but the $3.10. Oh. So as you can see, this is really clear. This is like super clear. And yeah, it's sticky. The really dark blue is going like above the antlers, a little below, and the neck, and then a little down here by the feetsies. Well, the legs. Let's see if I can. Yeah, see, like right there. So yes. All right. So now let's count. Everyone count with me as we go through. How many bags of $3.10 are there? So let's just flip it over. Y'all know this is $3.10. Y'all ain't got to see the number on the bag. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So it was more than 10, but less than 20. There are 16 bags of $3.10, folks. 16. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's pull you on up. Yeah, let me get you kind of focused again. Oh, stop it. There we go. So, we have this much $3.10. And we have this much of the other 17 colors. Like I said, I see this one as a personal challenge. This is definitely going to be a personal challenge. I got to figure out how I'm going to do this one. Am I going to do all the black first? And then do Nightbringer? All the other 17 colors except for the ones. Or am I going to do Nightbringer first and then do all the black? Wow. Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah, 16 bags of black. And there's at least what, about maybe 1,000 in each of these bags. Okay. So guys, Nightbringer as of right now is available. It's been around a while, so if you want it, you might want to go snatch it up before they decide they don't want to do Nightbringer anymore, because there's not too many more crazy people that would do all of this right here. But I'm happy to tell you they have updated this, because I think when they did Nightbringer, there wasn't even a sticker sheet yet. So yeah, okay. This is Nightbringer, y'all. And it's gonna be something. It's gonna be something, definitely. So, all right, there you go, guys. Good. If you have this one and you haven't done it, well then when I pull it out, probably next year, do it with me. Do it with me if you haven't and it's not done yet. It's gonna be on my 2022 list. Yeah, just like K Rico Siren is on my 2021 list. All right, guys. So hope you enjoyed this. And hey, I still have a few more in this big box. So I will see you in the next unboxing. Bye, y'all.
Make sure to like and share this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell.